Welcome back to the Halftime Report. I'm Dominic Chu with today's ETF Edge. Now, with the breakdown in negotiations in the Iran war, investors are now facing protracted impacts on domestic economic conditions. So how are ETF investors repositioning? Joining me now for that conversation is Christian Magoon, CEO over at Amplify ETFs. Amplify is a shop, Christian, that has become known on Wall Street as having a thematic kind of approach or suite of products. What exactly are you seeing right now with regard to the market volatility and how investors are moving in and out of the markets?
Yeah, definitely a move away from higher beta equity plays like technology, looking more at hedged equity plays that kind of can limit some of this volatility during all these headline events we're having right now.
Now, when you say hedged equity, it's one of those situations where they use options and other derivative activities around portfolios, right, to kind of buffer movements.
That's correct. So it's using covered calls or maybe dividend paying stocks to give you a cushion of 5, 10, 15% to the equity market, but still add to your total return through this income stream.
Now, what types of parts of the market are you seeing some of the most activity? Where are investors gravitating more towards and perhaps a little bit more away from?
Yeah, so surprise, surprise, energy is the big winner this year sector-wise. So we've seen a lot of exposure to hedged energy, for example. So we have an ETF NDIV that offers a 10% income stream, but also capital appreciation. That's been up about 30% this year. We're seeing people move away from some of the more volatile technology names simply due to some of the concerns about liquidity, Fed raising rates, or maybe just the economy tipping into recession here with oil prices.
And one quick point here. How much is crypto being affected by the market volatility?
Well, it's kind of removing some of the liquidity from crypto. In addition, the other L word, legislation, isn't really progressing. So that's hurting crypto a little bit. Seem to be in this chop range of 65 to 75 for Bitcoin.
All right. Now, we're going to continue this conversation over at etfedge.cnbc.com. Christian's going to be joined by Jamie Harrison, the head of ETF Capital Markets Trading over at MFS. So keep an eye on that show. Scott, I'll send things back over to you.
Dom, for the record, I was referencing that beautiful Augusta backdrop when I tossed it to you.
I did get to see some of it in person this past week, so I will say that, you know, it is as billed. It's even more beautiful in person than on TV.
I would only hope that you stayed a bit. Dom, thanks.